What up, cuz? Today we're in Houma, Louisiana, and we went to Big Mike's BBQ Smokehouse, and we got us a brisket and smoked sausage plate. Sides, we got barbecue beans, macaroni and cheese, and it comes with 2 slices of bread. And I also got some sweet potato pie. Let's open this up real quick. Check it out. Whew, man, that looks good. We're officially in spring, and I wanted to start doing some barbecue. And here we go. We had Big Mike's barbecue. And I actually been here before a couple years back because I used to work in Houma. So I always heard good things about it, and their food is really good. The barbecue sauce does come on the side. So we're gonna show you brisket. This brisket right here falls apart. See that good smoke ring on it? And it just falls apart as you eat it. I find it's a little on the dry side, but some barbecue places are like that. It's either like a wet brisket, or that's like soaked in the sauce or whatnot, or it's just kind of dry like this. But they put the barbecue sauce on the side, so it was kind of expected. Still really good brisket. This is the sausage. Sausage has a lot of flavor in it. You can see the seasoning in the sausage as well. Very, very good sausage. Skin has some good snap to it. I'm gonna try their sauce. Let's see what their sauce is like. Oh, y'all rocking right here. All right, y'all. So go ahead and barbecue brisket into the sauce. I ain't trying to stuff that in my mouth like that. Alright, y'all. Here we go. That's what it was missing. It was missing that sauce, man. That sauce is where it's at. Good barbecue sauce. I'm gonna just go ahead and dump it. I got to, man. That sauce just gives that brisket the bite that it needs. Man, that's what I was needing right there. Go ahead, give the beans a try. Good beans. They put some little bit of beef in it. Probably parts of the brisket and the beans as well. Got some onions in it. They're really good. I'm about to eat the rest of the beans right now. And then y'all know how I like my macaroni and cheese. If y'all watch my videos, I used to get macaroni and cheese all the time when I was in New Orleans. Good macaroni and cheese. I use a couple different cheeses in here. Just taste the difference, take the depth in the macaroni and cheese. It's hard to explain. I can't explain food that well, I don't think. I just know what's good for me. It's just good for me, right? What I like to taste, I like to taste. Like, it has a wet mixture to it, but it looks like it was baked as well. So it has the baked cheese on top kind of mixed in with it. Overall, very good plate. Good way to start off our first barbecue. Our first barbecue plate on the channel. And we're gonna try and do it at least once a week. If I can find that many barbecue spots in this area. I'm definitely gonna have to venture out of Houma to do barbecue spots, because I don't think they have that many out here. I knew for sure Big Mike's. That was my first place to go to. I have to do some more research to see any barbecue spots in in the Houma area. If y'all know any barbecue spots in Houma, y'all leave them in the comments and let me know. It's just primary spot that I work. Y'all, the sides are good. Usually you have good barbecue and then the sides are like, I don't know. But the sides are really, really good. And for some reason, I usually eat my meat before I eat my sides, but the sides are really good. Knock them sides out. And I find that it did come with a good amount of meat. I mean, it's got to be like one whole link of sausage that's sliced up. And then the brisket, this has to be about, I ate 2 already, so 3, 4, 5 slices of brisket. So it did come with a good amount of meat on this plate. Now this was the 2 meat combo, so 2 meats, 2 sides. Look at the receipt. The 2 meat combo, brisket and sausage, was $20.90. $20.90 for the two meat combo. And then I actually bought a drink and I didn't get my drink. I guess it's my fault. I ordered a bottle of water and I didn't get it. I'm gonna actually go in there and get it because I'm gonna need it. See, I know I got some napkins somewhere. Big Mike's Barbecue, you can't go wrong with it. Y'all in the Houma area, try it out. If y'all in the Houma area, you already know. You already know. Everybody knows Big Mike's Barbecue in Houma. Like, it's like a given. I think they have another location in Thibodaux, and I actually seen them building another location here in Houma. I just don't remember where I seen it at. I think it was off of Highway 311. I'm not sure. But I definitely seen another one being built here in Houma. So pretty much this is my first video of the week. Kind of slowed down a little bit. I dropped the video Sunday of charball and the oysters, and I didn't want to do, I usually do a video Monday. I started doing lunch videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but then I dropped that video Sunday of me charballing the oysters at the camper, so I didn't want to drop another video Monday and kind of slow it down. Because I find sometimes whenever if I drop videos back to back or every other day, it kind of slows down the first video and the new video gains traction. So I didn't want to drop one Monday because I dropped one that Sunday. So today's Wednesday, and I'm actually going to upload this video tonight on a Wednesday night. So back to what I was getting at. I used to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Did one Sunday, skipped Monday. Gonna do this one today, Wednesday. Gonna do another video Friday. I got a rabbit spaghetti video that's dropping. And then over the weekend, we went to the Irish Italian parade in Houma. And what they do is it's a parade and they throw a bunch of produce so you could go out there and catch vegetables. And I mean, so me, V, and Gabby went. A friend that I'm working with, he saved us a spot to hang out with them. And I brought a net, like a fishing net. Gave it to V, and she's catching all the vegetables and stuff. I'm actually gonna make a video of the parade, and then we're gonna cook for that too. It's gonna be like a catch and cook for a parade. So it's pretty funny, man. We caught a lot of stuff. I mean, we got heads of cabbage, potatoes, carrots, pineapples, onions. They throw all kind of stuff. We left with a big old bag. I had to tell V to stop catching stuff. I'm like, stop catching stuff. Like, what are we gonna do with all this food? She's like, I'm gonna bring it to mom. Mom's gonna cook. I'm like, okay. I said, but that's like, we got enough. So anyways, what we plan on doing is cooking a vegetable soup out of everything we caught from the parade. So catch and cook from a parade. I think that's gonna be a first one on YouTube. Crazy, huh? Alright, I'm getting full, y'all. Should put that one down so I can eat it. Last piece. Great way to start off barbecue. Start off the spring with some barbecue. And just got to venture out in Houma area and see what they have. I know back home in Lafayette, they got a couple of good spots that I like to try, and maybe I'll just do that when I'm home on the weekends, and incorporate it into the videos. But y'all, look at this sweet potato pie. Let's give it a shot. There it is. Pretty good pie, man. Sweet potato. It's not too sweet. It's not too dense. Just a good old-fashioned sweet potato pie. Very good filling, very good crust. Just enough sweetness to knock that sugar crave out, but not overpowering at all. Yep. They have pecan pie too, but I actually thought this was pumpkin pie when I saw it. I said, is that pumpkin pie? And it's like, no, it's sweet potato. I was like, all right, cool, I'll get that. I'm definitely gonna have to go inside and get my drink. After eating this, I have nothing to drink. My sinuses are still acting up. I kind of had it in control for a day or two, and then it's popping back again, so excuse me. Well, all right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all been on my channel for a while, I appreciate y'all. I love when y'all comment. I love to be able to talk to y'all. If you're new to my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I always comment back. I try and comment back to everybody. I actually do comment back to everybody. So if you have a suggestion, you have a question, let me know. And I'll see y'all in the next one.